And away we go. Oh, look at that guy over here at the ladder.
The dog was chasing.
Whee. Oh, look at that fat rabbit. Look at him, eating all the carrots.
Oh, look at the big eyes peeking through the fence.
Oh, look at that duck. Oh my goodness, Hardy, where are you sending us? Oh, look at that, where the lady's ended up.
Oh, and look at and there's a horse in the stable. And
Can't work out what to do.
yeah.
Oh, look at the crows.
Oh, look at that one.
And the crows looking at the corn.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at the hedgehogs.
In the cabbage patch.
Oh, look at that poor lady. There's them all there.
Oh, the goat's going.
Oh, look at the friar here asleep. Oh, look, there's a fox. They've chased a fox up the tree.
Oh, yeah. The geese.
Yeah. Here's the sheep.
Oh, the sheep. Cows. The cows and the dogs.
There's a bull there.
Big bull is saying, I wish I could get in today.
Yeah, I bet
Look
he is.
over there, girls. Here's Mr. Hudson.
Oh.
Look at tractor walk. Look at things growing.
Oh, what we're going inside. Look at all the chickens. Oh, it's been milked, is that kind? Oh, look, there's a pig.
Yeah, a pig.
We saw the other side of it.
Yeah.
And he's fighting a pig. Ah, fishy.
Horse and
Oh, there's a dog there.
and two fat pigs.
Two fat pigs eating what's left of the carrots.
And the sheep again. And the lamb.
Yeah.
And the cow. Could do that, it's alright.
Yeah, probably. Sundown fruit and veg.
That's the end.
Wow, wow. Whee!
There we go.
Brilliant.
Go there.
Where, Tom?